Hello guys, today in this video tutorial I will be showing you how we can take screenshots on Windows 10 very easily. We have several options to take the screenshot, but uh, the most the best one I use is using the snipping tool, which is a free application. It comes as default with your Windows 10. Just on the search bar type snipping tool and click on that one, and here this is the snipping applications. This is the free application actually, and so click on the new. Let me take the screenshot of this Apple Watch, for example. Yeah, here in this application you can for example highlight the picture, or you can write something on it, and it has eraser. If you did something wrong, you can erase. Just see, I erased all the things I edited. And what you can do, go to file, save as, and in downloads, just for example Apple Watch, save, and I can go to downloads here, and I have the Apple Watch picture here. See, this is the free this is the Apple Watch picture that we have saved earlier. Or you can do edit, copy, and go to your Microsoft Word, right click, paste. See, you can paste easily to the any Word, or you can also pass to the email that you are sending to someone. So this is the best tool I've been using so long. Also, it has different newer version. Just type snip and you will see snip and sketch. This is the newer version. Or you can use also, for example, I go to here and this picture, I want to use snip and sketch. This is also a free tool on Windows 10. Just select and you have it here. Same thing, you can highlight, you can draw something, you have pen, pencil, you can erase. Also, it has a ruler, you can measure the length. It has also undo thing, and you can save, copy, the same thing. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I will putting more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you very much.